Oh, hello everyone. Welcome to Rubywoo Vlogs. Today I came with another product. I think it's a Rubywoo lipstick, a lip liner, and also a nail polish. Do you know what is the color of it? Cause I'm wearing the color of that particular thing. So I did that in this Rubik's Cube. It is red. And of course, it matches me. Please do click that red button, which is a subscribe button, and a like, and also share it. So let us get started. I brought a lipstick and a lip liner, which I told you that time, lip liner and nail polish. So I'm going to open it today. And now I love this product. I love you. I like this little piece. You know why? Because it's Rubywoo. Rubywoo. Many people wear Rubywoo. Okay, I'm opening it. Wow. So this is the color of Rubywoo. And this I'm going to wear it now. Let me open it. I like Nyka products because they send everything neatly by packaging it. See, you can see it. Oh, it has a background, which I showed you that time. I thought it's just a picture. Okay, let me remove the Rubywoo lipstick from inside. Wow, this is very small. It does not fit my finger, by the way. Okay, let us remove it. Oh my goodness, look at the color of this. This is very nice. I'm going to wear it at the last and show you how does it looks. Look, you can see the bubble wrapping of it. It's a nail polish. See, it's a nail polish. You can see the color. And I think this is the lip liner. Okay, let me wrap all of this. Oh my goodness, I like the decoration how they did here. It's like a honeycomb. I mean the holes, hexagon shaped holes. I can't stand with you. Come, don't sleep there. Oh, this is very cute. Nyka, look at the symbol. I'm opening it now. It has a packaging. How much packaging does this need? Oh my god. Yes, it's coming out. Yes. This is like a tape. Yes. Look at the color. It's like a pencil. Of course, let me keep it back. And I'm going to wear and show you at the last. And by the way, I have one more product. Oh, there's something else in this. I think it's a body wash. Wow, this smells very great in my body. This is the 4th time which I brought this. This is very great. I'm going to open it at last, okay? Actually, now 4 products happened. So, I didn't know it was something very big. Yeah! A red color scissor! Same! So, let me collect this. Oh my goodness. It's a bubbly wrapped thing. Yeah, bubbly wrapped. That's why I like this Nyka things. Look how it is popping. How? Come out. Oh my goodness, it leaked. I didn't know that. Why did it leak? My favorite nail polish. Why did you leak? I thought it leaked. Actually, it leaked, but you can see from the bubble wrap it made a design. It's very cute. I love it. Let me open and show you, by the way. Wow, look at the brush. It's like a painting brush. It's very dark. Oh my goodness, it's watery. It's not liquid. It's not normal. It's very watery. That's why it leaked. Why did you leak? Okay, I kept it. Now coming to this. This is also a bubble wrap. Don't leak, please. Don't stop funny thing. Wait. Okay, I cut it. How much packaging? That's it. Yes, good. Look how it is. It's very creamy. Ah, it smells very nice. Ah, I want to wear it. No, not now. Okay. So let me wear the lip liner and show you how does it look. Ta-da! I wore it. So it looks like this. The product looks like this. It's very light. I like this one. It's tickling my lips. So let me open the next one. Rubywoo, my favorite lipstick. Wait. Yes, I opened it. Oh, this is the first time. I'm not ready. Oh, I don't want to wear you. You're that much cute. Okay, I'm going to wear it now with the MAC powder. 1 minute, I need some help. Of course, I'm done now. Yeah, I'm done now. And this is the final product. I look very beautiful in this. It's showing you. Look. And I'm very cute. I love you. So whenever I'm going to functions, I'm going to wear Rubywoo, which is very cute and loving, like our family. The price of this product is 1,100 and we get it about 1.8 grams. So I like this product. The price of this lip liner is 350 and the price of this beautiful nail polish is 108. This is the last product is the body cream. The net quantity of this is 200 ml and the price of this is 1,395. So I ordered this for my mother to wear it because it's very buttery. I'll show you how does it looks like. How does it look? See, I wore it in my hand and I'm going to wear it. Look, it looks very creamy and it smells like butter mixed vanilla. This is very great. I like this product. Lastly, I'm going to wear this nail polish which is very cute and designed. So let me wear it. So I'm going to wear this now. Wow, very watery. As you know, nail polish removes the shining of our nails. But to show you, I'm wearing the nail polish. Ta-da! Look at the nails. I like this color. I should not touch it anyway. Look at the color. You can see the deep red color. I am all fixed in red. So now I became the red queen. Even my Rubik's Cube is red. So I'm going to take this and go out. So bye bye. See you next time.